I'm Marcus with All States Home Improvement. I'm a project consultant here. When I initially first met with Eric and Terry, they had some general concerns over their deck. So they were looking for some solutions. They wanted, one, the deck to be structurally sound and safe for their family and themselves. Two, they wanted something that was low maintenance. They didn't want to have to take care of this thing all the time. Third, they wanted to have good access to their hot tub for any type of repair or maintenance that needed to happen, right? So upon that, I came up with a solution for them. My recommendations to them was to install a Fibron composite deck built by our master deck building crew. I knew that offering a quality product that's going to stand the test of time, combined with professional, highly skilled workmanship, would give them the deck that they're looking for. So we're now finished with the deck, and the end result was amazing. The crew went above and beyond as far as the expectation that the homeowners desired. They were extremely thrilled with the end result. We did solve the problems with them, so they now have a sturdy, structurally sound, safe deck for them and their family. We offered a deck that has low maintenance. Okay, it's easily maintained with just soap and water. Lastly, we solved the problem with the hot tub, giving it proper ventilation, causing it not to shut down, and preventing any safety issues that would happen. We also customized built an access port for the hot tub as well for maintenance and repair work that needs done on that. We also added another hatch for their water spout to allow easy access for that as well. But the most important thing for them to enjoy their deck in the long run is we provided custom lighting on their deck posts and the stairs, which gives them the ability to enjoy their deck even in the evening. And the result, in the end, we provided them with a quality deck that's going to stand the test of time for years to come, and is another successful project completed by All States Home Improvement.